And you are on.
Okay, so we first started talking about the issues at hand with collaboration, the things that hold us back from collaborating. And those issues, which aren't drawn on here yet because we didn't write it on there, are issues of closed-mindedness, lack of understanding of goals, hierarchy, distractions, and inequality of voice within a team. From there, we looked into how we can mitigate some of those issues through strategies.
And it's basically broken into 3 categories. You have the structured pieces, you have the unstructured, and then you have one that kind of goes between both of those. None of these are really new ideas. It's really more about what we're doing every day, but it's about having the commitment to really do it. So when you look at the bottom, you're going to see commitment, capital, and culture. So with the unstructured, we're talking about things such as happy hour. Who doesn't love happy hour? Or team lunches, or outings, team building exercises. The marshmallow challenge, anything that gets everybody to interact and just do something that's not necessarily related to the project or the work. Then you have the structured pieces, which is where you're actually going to have the positive or constructive criticisms, or feedback I should say, from reviews, or you have charrettes, design charrettes. And that actually starts to bridge these structured pieces as well as the unstructured, because you want to share the knowledge, you want to listen, you want everyone to have a voice, and be able to do those together in the same environment. And this is going to result in...
Yes. Basically, this is laying the groundwork for creating a culture of collaboration in your firms so that everyone is working together and working effectively.
It doesn't happen without the commitment and the capital. And the capital could be anything from financially, or it could also be your time. So the biggest problem with collaboration is that we all know what to do, but we don't do it. So develop a plan, make a commitment, and do it. You'll have a better culture.
You know, we run a very successful firm here, and we have very successful people that work with us. And so whenever we're interviewing someone, we want to know, how would you be successful in our firm?
Great. Well, I'm glad you asked that. I've got this great diagram with me. And they'll illustrate how I will be not only successful within the firm, but help contribute to the firm. What I have here is a number of issues that all center around how I can bring value to the company. And I think it begins with the resources that I have, the knowledge that I already bring to the company, my past experiences, all help contribute to it. Next is, say, my vision. I have a vision for where I want to go with my future, where I think that I can contribute to this company, and how it's going to be successful. Part of that is planning my vision. What key pieces I need for it, how the company can help me, how I can help the company. And all this leads to differentiating myself as a brand. Key pieces, successful work, all leads to a branding of me to help develop work in the company. This, of course, leads to good connections, and those lead to, obviously, more and more projects. This, as a whole, contributes to not only my success, but the success of the firm.